Corridor 135. Nope. Second play tayo good. Still completed Corridor. Please, so pag na-shoot, rebound Corridor. Turnover po na. Ay, hindi. Foul. Foul sa bala. Assist. Ernest. 59 assist. 12, 2 points. Number 12, 2 points. Assist. Si Andoy. 2 points doon. 57 si Andoy. Si Jong pala. Jong. Turnover. Tabala. Si Jong pala yung assistant.
Go on! Go on! Gulat ako eh.
2 points. Adrian. Wala. Shot clock 12 seconds.
2, 1. Well, na.
Still. That's 2 points si Kevin.
12. Sino? 12.
Number 12. 2 points.
Still number 12.
Still number 12. Wala. Rebound 1. Foul. Paruso. Sorry, hindi pala si Paruso, sorry. 74. Promise. 13 foul. Kailangan bilitan mo. Shoot ba?
Sino part?
Oo, pumunta.
Isa.
One free throw good for Wally. Andoy bringing out the ball. Tossing over. Attacking. 2 points is good. Andoy, 2 points. Kevin, wala. Rebound. 83. Assist. Foul counted. Assist Jong. Assist Caruso. 2 points for Sabala, number 37. Foul counted. 1 more free throw. 5 silang might mag-rebound. Last free throw for Sabala. 1 free throw is good. The score is 20 all. Hindi tambakan tulad kanina. Offensive foul. Sino nakaramdam? 59. Offensive foul. Turnover din. Short. Uy, di yan pwede. Uy, Sunny! Magsabihan mo yung tao mo.
Nakwintas pa. Wala kang born to win na shorts, magubad ka na lang.
Kailan pasok? Baka second time pa.
Labing isa na po kami.
Labang isa na kayo?
Oo.
Oh.
Pwede na isa.
Isa, tapos kailangan maglaro yung
The
apat.
first four, the first five.
Swimming.
Wala pa yung timeout ha?
Hindi carry over yun, di ba?
Second half carry over.
Hindi, first quarter to second quarter. Hindi, di ba? Professor na nila. Pero kasi hindi, counted din siya na wala pa eh. Gets mo? Kasi hindi siya naka-shorts eh. Kaya dapat sa plus 5 siya pumasok. Rebound, Roel, Cobra. Number 5. Steal, Guerrero. Steal, turnover, Guerrero, tsaka Cobra. Guerrero, tsaka Cobra. Steal, si Guerrero, tsaka Cobra. Turnover, Jones.
Yeah, third over, Jones. Jay, tingnan natin kung makakasot ulit. Jay, to Obra. Obra, balik mo kay Jay. Yan, tira. Yan, sok sa'yo eh. Airball. Bakit dumating na ba?
Wapak sa liga si Jones. Baka nasa akasagit na.
RB turnover. Oh, si RB yan. Passer lang. Pag wala pang player kasi passer lang. Team Jones, turnover din. Okay. Okay ka? Assist mo na si Joseph Guerrero. 2.6. Sino foul? Sino foul?
Tayo. Ay, si Obrata.
Sino?
33.
Bakit?
Rep, sino foul? Obra. Pati yung number mo. 5, number 5. Jones, kaliwa kanan. Kanan daw, kanan daw. Sulat mo dito kanan. Pre, pag hindi nag-free throw yan, hindi na makakalaro yan.
Pwede pa kanya ulit.
Pahimas mo kay Bidge.
I was joking.
Free throw is not good. Rebound naman. Lopaya, number 30. Boomer, attacking, passing it to Sunny. Sunny, 2 points. Assist, Boomer. 2 points for Sunny. You are my sunshine. Jordan Poole, 2 points. May kasamang chlorine. Jet bringing down the ball. Jet passing it to Obra. Obra for 3. Rebound. Jordan Poole. Patay na rebound. Joseph Guerrero surveying the floor. Passing it to Jones. Jones 2 points. Good assist for Joseph Guerrero. 2 points for number 21, Jones.
Nandito ako eh.
Obra.
Wala mag-score.
Jet receiving the ball, passing it to Numer. Numer passing it to Obra. Obra faking the shot. Trying to make the one. Rebound Dario. Joseph Guerrero ang turnover.
Nice pass. Lagi sumasali si Tim. Snow White.
Obra passing it to Sunny. Sunny passing it to Numer. Numer faking. Tapping it to Sunny. Obra passing it to Jet. Jet losing the ball. Obra passing it to Baby Burger for 2 points. Assist Obra. Baby Burger, 2 points. Joseph Guerrero passing it to Dario. Dario dropping it to...
Walang assist yun kasi natapit ng iba eh.
Rafael, sheer drop. No good. Rebound by Baby Burger. Baarde.
Ano yun? Clear part yun.
Paano daw gumagawa ng pusa? Gumagalaw ng pusa yung takip.
May tao dyan sa loob. Mamita mo.
Obra for 2 points. Wala. Katayong rebound. Katayong. 3-on-1 fast break. 3 on. Joseph Guerrero, 3-point attempt again. Wala. Katayong fighting for the rebound. No rebound. Team rebound for white team. Sunny giving back to Obra. Obra susubok ulit ng 3. Numer attacking RB. 2 points. Foul counted. Foul for RB. Wala. Last free throw is good. 3-point. Ball game is completed by Numer Lupaya. Joseph Guerrero passing it to Jordan Poole, medyo dead. 2 points, not good. Barde, no rebound. J. Hey, J ang rebound. J, bring down the ball. J, Hail Mary again. Wala na, mukhang nasa akasya na. Attacking, Rafael. Rafael still attacking. Block shot. Si Barde. Barde, wala. Rebound, Jones. Joseph Guerrero attacking. Joseph Guerrero, 2 points. 5-minute mark. Pili tayo, pili.